Hi friends, Rebecca here from Bounde, and today I'll be sharing with you 5 tips on how to make perfectly round wax seals. Okay, so to start you'll need a few supplies. Of course you need a wax seal stamp and some sealing wax beads. You'll need a wax melting spoon, a wax melting stove and a tea light candle, and a wax sealing mat or a sheet of paper. Okay, step number 1 is to use a completely flat surface. I would recommend a silicone wax sealing mat. Alright, step number 2, use the right amount of sealing wax. This is key to making sure that you don't get too much overflow or too little wax for your seal. Usually I'll start with 3 to 4 wax beads. 4 is ideal for your first seal. You can usually do 3 after that. Now step number 3 is the pour. This is so important, guys. Keep the spoon steady. Don't swirl it around. Literally just let the wax to fall off the spoon. It'll form a perfect circle by itself. Now, stamp placement. Aim for the center of your wax pool. If you can, have an overhead view and gently place it on top. You can make small adjustments as you place it down. Leave the wax to set. This will take about 1 to 1.5 minutes. It should be hard and firm, and the stamp should come away easily with a light pressure. Okay, now step number 5, guys, practice makes perfect. I hate to say it, but you just need to get out that wax sealing mat and practice again and again. The great thing about using these silicone mats is that if your seal doesn't turn out quite as you'd like, that's okay. You can just pop it straight back into the wax melter, melt it down, and try again. You can see me trying a few different stamps and colors here, and time and practice is definitely what gets you those perfect round wax seals. Now, while each wax seal is unique and no two are ever alike, you can master a fairly round wax seal most times with a bit of practice, a flat surface, and the right tools. I hope this has helped you out and that you'll start making your own wax seals at home very soon. As always, guys, you can find all the supplies I used here today on my website over at bounde.com.au, and you can read more about this on the blog.